is a 3D software. You can design any character, anything in this software. This software is not only used for 3D printer, 3D modeling, but it can be used for video editing, for picture editing, for sound editing, for other things as well. But mainly it's used for 3D printing. It's very easy and it's free. Let's see how it works. Now, when we open this workspace, you have this cube. So you can't do anything with this cube now. So anything you want to move it, you can't move it. So because it has different mode. Let's go and look first. File. If you want to open new, so you want to check which type of file do you want to open it. If it is video, you can click on video editing or sculpturing or animation or journal. So journal is just this one, and then the other things are as usual as in other softwares. Now import and export. This import is very important. If you want to do 3D printer, so you have to import your character or anything you made in your design as a STL file. So there are other type of files, but for the 3D printer we use STL file. So this one you should know that this is very important. This is a camera. When you want to animate your object, so the camera you have to move it. You can move position of camera by click and press G. So G is for shortcut for grab. Now similarly you can move your cube as well. Click and G, press G, and then you can see you can move this object. The other way to move this object or see around your workspace is this axis. So you can move axis along x-axis, y-axis, or z-axis. So you can surround, you see objects around your character or your image. Now, in this side, we have select tool, we have 3D cursor tool, we have move tool. You can move, but this moves along any direction you have. That's a y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is z-axis. This is the next tool we have is rotate tool. So rotate tool, you can rotate along x-axis, along y-axis, and then along z-axis as well. And the next tool which we have scale tool. At the moment I think you should leave this, but anyway I tell you the scale tool. If you click on scale tool, you can resize your object. Now if you want to be specific, I'll do Control Z as we do in other software. You Control Z means undo that. Come here, we have different modes. Sometimes if your cursor doesn't do anything, you have to come here and see which mode you are in. Let's see, edit mode. Edit mode, you can edit this object now. In this edit mode, we have three options. Number one is vertices, number two is edge, and then number three is face. If you click on the face, and then you can come and click your object, you select one face, grab it, and then move it. So you move with that face. Second, we have edge. If you want to just move one edge, click on the edge and grab it, press G, and then you can move your edge as well. If you want to select vertices, select one vertex. See, I'm selecting. When you select, it turns into yellow or the orange line. So grab it, and then you can move the way you want. If you want to select two edges, so two vertices, so either you hold Control and click on both, or three or four, or you have to just select this way with the rectangle tool. So you can select two of them. When you move it, so grab it, and then you can move those two vertices together. So this is very, very basic. Here on this right side, we have properties, different properties. In coming videos, we're going to talk about this. So I don't want to make this video very long. So let's see if you want to keep this file and it will come next time you work on it. So you have to just do save. And then it asks you then where you want to save it. So you can save it here and then you have to name it cube. And then if you want to save on your desktop, click on desktop, cube.blend. So that's the name of the thing. Save the file. It will save it for you. Next time when you come